The break-even point is reached when the total revenue exactly matches the total costs and the business is not making a profit or a loss. If the firm can sell at production levels above this point, it will be making a profit. TR stands for total revenue, that is price multiplied by quantity sold of goods. FC stands for total fixed costs. VC stands for variable cost, that is unit variable cost multiplied by quantity of goods produced and sold. TC stands for total cost, that is fixed costs plus variable costs. Most industries produce many different products that are not homogeneous. We cannot count the physical quantities. We only have to give a monetary value to the production sold. It is needed to collect the data in a small income statement. Total revenue less total variable costs is equal to margin of contribution less total fixed costs is equal to profit or loss. An example: total revenue 100,000 less variable cost 40,000, we got a marginal contribution of 60,000 euros less fixed cost for 30,000 euros, we got a profit of 30,000 euros. The problem we have is to find a formula that will give us the volume of total revenue that allows a tie between revenue and costs. In other words, we want a formula that identifies the break-even point in terms of sales. With the exception of fixed cost, other quantities must be expressed in terms of monetary unit sales. We can see here for each €1 of revenue we have a unit variable cost of 40 cents and a unit contribution margin of 60 cents. How can we get the basic formula? We know that fixed costs must be covered by the unit margin of contribution multiplied by the break-even sales. Inverting the members and isolating the sales, we can get them dividing fixed cost by the unit contribution margin. In our case, the break-even has an amount of 50,000. Using the data found, we can actually prove that the formula produces the break-even sales point. In terms of total amount, we have a contribution margin of 30,000 that fully covers the fixed cost by the same amount, leaving a profit of 0.
Created using Powtoon.